How you guys doing? This is Derek with Dell Woodworking. Today we have yet another cheap track saw square review. So again, this was right on Amazon. The brand is Going Make, which is an interesting brand. So let's pull this out. Let's take a look at it. What kind of caught my eye is that I don't want to say it at all compares to the woodpecker one. But one of the things that caught my eye was the fact that it has the adjustments to it that you can do different angles, which the Festool one also can. So that's what kind of caught my eye at first. Put some of this packaging away. It is made in China. Obviously, it's not going to be incredibly surprising on that one. So looks like you can loosen this and adjust this bar wherever you need to put it. It does have a bolt on the back, so it's not something that can like sit flat, you know, on the table, because it does have these things on the back kind of bumping it up. Now let's see, to adjust the different angles, you have to remove this kind of nut here. Let's remove it real quick. And let me show you that. So now that I removed that nut, you can then kind of rotate it around wherever you need it to go. What's nice is it does have little detents that it kind of clips into, which honestly, that's kind of a nice feature. So let's check this out. To be honest with you, I have not put it on a track yet. So I probably need to set this thing up so I can make sure that it is pretty good. So let's get this put on here. Okay. I feel like it's gonna be better to clasp this tight and then tighten that on. So far it seems good. Seems fastened on there. I guess we really just have to see if it is square. Grab my woodpecker square. Feel like there's a good chance that it is going to be square. The woodpecker square, at least, is what I'm referring to. It seems pretty close. It doesn't seem dead on. I am gonna say that I know right now people are gonna be flipping out that that's not the way that you check square with this or with whatever you wanna do, and that is very true. I'm not actually trying to figure out if it is dead perfect square. I honestly wanted to see how tight it held, what adjustments it had. It honestly seems pretty cool. I kinda like it. The one that I reviewed prior is another Amazon one, and this one I was only like, I wanna say it was like around 50 or something like that. But the other Amazon one was a lot chintzier looking. It didn't have kind of like the cutouts, which is, I feel like, kind of nice. It also has these lips here so that it holds it on the material. The other one I think had a swing, a little thing that flipped out, and then it held it on the material. It definitely didn't have the angles to it. So that's what's cool about this one. Now, honestly, I don't use the track saw square for ripping down cabinet materials that much. And when I do, I measure twice, put the square on it, and cut it. I don't actually leave this set up on a square. You know, we cut a lot of our stuff with our big table saws. This is to cut off some random stuff that's a little dangerous through the table saw. So this would probably be mainly for like ripping plywood, stuff like that, where I gotta rip a bunch of stuff and doing more framing, stuff like that. So being dead square to me isn't super important. To a lot of people it's gonna be important, so go ahead and roast that. But yeah, honestly, this seems pretty decent for the money. But coming up in the near future, I'm gonna have a video comparing this, my original, the TSO, and the woodpecker. So stay tuned for that.